Hello my friends. Hallo meine Freunde. I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I reached 500 subscribers today and I have planned a 500 sub special. This will be a long range or mid-range video where I was on a mountain lake. I guess it was the most time-consuming edit I made till now because I thought I wanna create something special for you all to say thank you. And yeah, I wanted to ask if you have some wishes for the future, some tutorials, or should I change something you don't like in my videos. Yeah, I know some people ask me for German tutorials, so I guess I will mix them. Und auch einen herzlichen Dank an meine deutschsprachigen Abonnenten. Wenn ihr irgendwelche Videowünsche oder sonstiges habt, einfach in die Kommentare schreiben. Ich werde versuchen, auf die Videowünsche einzugehen. And now let's try this spot with my new Marmotte build with crossfire.